So we are at Grand Junction. And so this is not a super long stop. I think it normally would be, except we had a rock on the track, so we don't get that long to stay here at this station. So we are going to do like a quick stop. They said 10 minutes, so that's pretty much in and out. So they have some things so you can stop over here. Outside of the station, they do have a restaurant, so you could get something, and a little tourist shop. So this is the restaurant here. I think it's called Sour Belly. Anyway, quick view of the town. You don't get to see much because they usually put places in the back area. Yeah. To Emeryville, San Francisco, really. Yep. Let me hurry up. I don't want to miss my train. Take care. It's Our Lives Fulfilled. Our Lives Fulfilled. Okay. So we're not doing too bad here. Actually, let me just show you how you read your ticket, because this was a tricky part. As like when you're trying to find which car you're supposed to go into, it literally says it right here on the side of the train. So this 0531 means that you're in car 31. And so on your ticket, you have to really check that little piece there, because my ticket was actually 32. So I'm in 0532. So you just walk down one more car and you hit 32. And this train is a super liner. So, you know, the trains all have like a certain design to them. And so here we are in 0532. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the ticket. That is how the number looks. And this is the sleeping car, which is the nice piece.
All aboard!
Thank you.
Do it ugly, do it lovely. To me.
Thank you. Yeah. And so then we have these steps we're gonna get up. This is the same steps that I came up in initially. I'd head down to my room. And the opposite way is where the observation car is, and it's also where the observation car and the dining car. So I'm right here at room 9. So when you open your door, I think I was showing this earlier, but when you open your door, you get that door, and then you get the curtain. Thank you.
No, that stuff is very valuable when you're doing it.
So I have my food today. I have a tamale, and it looks delicious. You get 1 glass of wine, so I decided to do it today, which is my second dinner. So I'm gonna try this tamale. It looks really good, and I have a sauce right here too. So, wow, everything has been delicious so far, so I can't imagine that this won't be. Let me just get my fork ready and try this. Okay, I'm gonna try it without the sauce first. And oh, it's really cheesy.
No, I'm sorry. Upper East Side.
Thumbs up. It is delicious. Right? Beautiful lives, let me just try this sauce. I'm gonna just taste it first. Man, it's like restaurant style. This is delicious. Okay, so I have my flank steak, and I always order my steak well done, and it came with, these are carrots, and I did have these carrots last night. They're carrot balls and string beans and a baked potato, and these carrot balls were so delicious last night with my salmon. So let me check it out and see how it is. So. Delicious. Chocolate carrot ball. Excellent. Thank you.
Steven Spielberg over here.
I know. Well, you're the one to do it because you actually
I'm gonna take a
have the
picture.
eye for it.
I'm gonna take a picture of eating dinner with YouTubers.
Yes.
That's gonna be good.
That's so funny.
That steak is very good, bro.
It really is. I'm gonna put some butter on it. Thank you.
Would you like butter ribs?
Yeah, I love them. I would. I'm surprised how accurate they get the. Like, that's medium, exactly.
Yeah, mine's definitely.
I wonder how. Yeah, because that's what last night when my partner who I was eating with, hers was so accurate too. Mine is great.
Yeah, last night I had medium well, and it definitely was.
Wow.
He's a good chef.
Yeah, it really is.
So I was afraid it would be too underdone. That's why I got medium well the first night. So I was like, I'd rather it be more done than less done. And then when they got that one right, I was like, I'll risk it tonight.
But Ellie, what did you get?
Mine
got
is
medium
medium.
well.
Rare.
Medium well.
Okay.
No, I don't like as much blood.
Right. He's behind camera.